Come on then. Come on, we're going camping. Let's pick you up. Well, what if you lay on your back for? Oh, I need to pick you up. We're going camping. Come on. It's the December Why do you keep doing that? It's the December challenge. Oh, it's gone all floppy. Come here. Good evening, guys and girls. Holiday Stealth 2023. It's December the 1st, and me and Mrs. Baby are doing our December challenge set by... What's his name again? Kevin's Camping Adventure. I went blank there. I'm going to leave that in. We'll see you at the venue. So, just a thought. I'll show you the video of me preparing everything in the van. Remember, this one's nice and Christmassy. So we'll get some Christmas surprises. We're going to have a look around and see if anybody's done some house decorations and the Christmas lights. And we'll do a quick video of them as well. So it's all exciting stuff. Let's have a look at the weather. It's not cold.
Freezing.
Mrs. Baby has been at work all day and I've forced her out on a stealth cab, and I'm taking her to a wonderful place because she deserves it. What do you think you're doing? You're supposed to be in the back, aren't you, having a sleep? Get back. Is this how you get through, is it? Naughty cat the dog. We have arrived at the location, guys and girls. Let me show you. And there we have it. Who's a lucky girl? You're a lucky girl, aren't you? Unbelievable. It's not freezing. Right, we're going to head into Morrisons and we're going to get some Christmassy food. I've got an idea of what we're going to do. My favourite section. Got one or two supplies there.
Could get that and get away with it, say it's turkey.
You can't tell lies. You're trying to lie on my channel.
I don't tell lies.
I've got that on video now.
It's you that lies.
You've just tried to lie and say that's turkey. Unbelievable.
It's the same as turkey.
We're having proper turkey. It's Christmas. We'll have that as well for Cat.
No, we won't.
We'll have this for Cat.
Yes, cats.
Oh no, they stink. Then I'll do for Cat. So that's the supplies found. If you've noticed a bit of blood in my ear, it's because I cut myself shaving. I don't care.
Why are you shaving your ear?
Why am I shaving my ears? Because they're hairy. No, I just mishandled the old blade. Right, let's get out to the van and we'll have a look and see if Kat has got into the front. Hopefully not.
Yes.
You reckon?
I know.
Hope not. Here she is in the stealth spot. It's going to be -5 tonight. So it's going to be a cold one. Now then, we're approaching the van. Has Kat, the dog, been good or bad? Because if she's bad, she won't get any presents, will she, monkey?
Of course she will.
Yeah, that's true. Look at the frost on the van. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Right.
She'll be sat there in your seat.
Do you reckon?
Yep.
I don't think she has this time. She's not there, is she?
Don't think so. Yes, she is.
She is. Let's go on the other
She's
side.
looking at us going,
She's staring at us. Unbelievable. You can't see her, but she's there. What are you doing in the front? Shaking. Yeah, you're getting told off, aren't you? Unbelievable. Every time I go to get in the van, somebody appears. I'm just waiting till those people are gone and then we can get in. And I've got to get Kat out of the front now, so I've got to unlock everything. So we are in, but I don't think I'm happy because when we park the van, I'm over the lines. And in the UK, if you're over the lines, you get fined because you're taking up more space than you should be. So I'm going to have to get out and just put the van back a bit and get it within the lines. What a pain. That's a big no-no in the UK. Get done for that. But the van is quite big, but I've missed it. Right, I don't think we've heard from Kevin's Camping Adventures yet, so let's see what he's got to say.
Here we go. So here are the rules to the game. First off, must be a South Korea. Second of all, tell me one thing you're grateful for and why, and have fun. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance in your title. Hashtag Holiday Stealth 2023. And the last weekend of December for the premieres is 29th, 30th, and 31st.
What are you doing, Kat? What are you doing? Let's have a look and see if we can see your escape route. Let's run the video. Yeah, because we recorded you when we went. Yeah, we did. Christmassy drink. The old Baileys. I give her a drink, and what did you say, baby?
Thank you.
That is not what you said. got the sneezes. It's winter. It's going to be -5 tonight. We're freezing already, but it's not. Got the heating on. Beautiful. It's toast in here. I gave her a drink and she said, I haven't got any ice. She wants me to bring ice. Unbelievable.
It's Bailey's, you can't drink it without ice.
You can drink Baileys without ice. Do you want me to go and get some from Morrisons? That was a close call. Had it gone though. I noticed the olive oil is frozen. So when we came into the site, I was looking around for ANPR cameras and I can't see any here. So, and I haven't found a sign that says maximum stay either. So I think Morrisons are just sort of taking a different approach, to be honest, on this car park. But it does share with other businesses. So it's a bit tricky if they wanted to do ANPR, really, to be honest. So hopefully we'll be all right here. What on earth is going on here?
Making some Christmas decorations.
That's not Christmas decorations. This is one of the problems of, because I like to see the actual metal of the van. I don't like lined vans. I think they look awful. But one of the downsides of that is the drips drip down.
But it's only really because it's frozen.
Yeah. But if you consider if with these lined vans, that's what all that water just drips into the line and it never lasts long before they all look shoddy again. But that's really decorative, that is, baby. Well done.
Thanks, baby.
Unbelievable, always cleaning something. So the theme of tonight's cooking is Christmas. So we've got turkey. We've got, did we get stuffing?
Don't think so.
Oh,
I got bollocked, didn't I, in the shop for getting things.
don't swear, it's a family channel.
Well, I got told off.
So we've forgotten the main
Middle of the
ingredient
supermarket, like
of
a
my-
child.
My wonderful idea. We've forgotten it because baby started doing the week
Because
shopping.
I picked up a packet of nuts.
No, you picked up a
And some
packet of
dog
nuts, which we don't
treats.
want for tonight, and dog treats, which you don't need for tonight. It wasn't a weekly shop.
No, that's what you shouted in the middle of the aisle at me.
That's
waggling
absolutely
your
right.
finger, embarrassing me in front of
Never
everybody.
take your wife to a shop if you're just calling in for one thing,
I'd
because they
happily waited in the
automatically go into weekly shop.
I would have happily waited in the van, but you wouldn't let me do that either.
Unbelievable. We forgot the stuff and I'm not going back. Bit of turkey in. So I was inspired by Hojangle Outdoors for this one. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Stop eating the brie. Why are you in bed? Unbelievable. And there it is. It was Hojangle reminding me that wraps are amazing. So that's the filler, brie, bacon and turkey. It's the first one going on. Second one's prepped. Well, that's the Bailey's finished, all gone. Ta-da!
Thank you, baby.
What's it like? What do you think?
Look at her. She thinks hers has been served.
What's it like? You haven't been served yet, Kat. What's it like, baby? She's had 3 bites and she's only tasted wrap so far. I'd be halfway down that. That's mine done. Taste test. Ha! Flipping hell. That's hot. Have you got any paper towels? That is really hot, isn't it? Ow, ow. Oh yeah. It's nice. The cheese isn't very strong, is it?
But it's not meant to be.
No. Look at that. Cat started having hers. Doesn't even taste it. Do ya? Don't even taste it. Don't forget hashtag Stealth Holiday 2023. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. I promised myself that I'm not going to mention 4 times winner of Stealth Camping Alliance challenges. So I won't mention it. 4 trophies. There they are, look. Bing, 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 bing. Yes! What's the second one like? No comment. Number 2. Oh, hot. Oh, it's so hot. Huh.
Babe,
So hot.
you can't say it's so hot and keep chucking it in.
I'm
You're supposed to say it's so hot and then spit it out or let it fall out.
not spitting it out.
Well, no, it all fell out, but you shoved it all back in.
Got it in, didn't I? Unbelievable. Getting told off. Oh. Oh, so hot, isn't it?
What's the matter with you? You're eating like cat now. You're not
That's-
tasting that. It's just burning you.
Oh, it's like swallowing a hot potato. It's still going down.
Stop it. You're going to do it again, aren't you?
My mouth's empty.
Yeah, but it's hot.
Not too bad, that bit. Anyway. Go on then, Cat. Have another go. That is more than she needs to eat, really, but I'll probably get told off in the comments now for giving her too much. Nice cat. Look at her. So that was nice. Been talking with a couple of girls from the Stealth Camping Alliance for a bit of advice, really, on alcohol and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 girls. Why? What's the problem?
What's 2 girls?
Well, just going to say now. So I messaged Hojangle Outdoors, Robin, and I said about Irish whiskey. Never tried it, I don't think. But I probably have. I probably drank Irish whiskey at some point. But I saw this. Cheap and cheerful. It's a blended, Bushmills. So I thought I'll get that and give it a try. So I also emailed the other girl, which is this girl here. And to be honest, she thinks Guinness is a soft drink. So I just ignored. I never took her advice, really. But that was it. A couple of girls from the Stealth Camping Alliance, just to get a bit of info. and Robin recommends this. So I'm going to go for it. So here we go, just a dabble. Whoa. Long finish and a bit rough. Terrible recommendation, Robin. Doesn't know what she's talking about. Let's try it with the Stealth Pepsi. It's the first time I've been able to say that on my channel. I just realised I got Pepsi. So this is that Bushmills, 2 fingers deep, going in with some Coke. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, I'd recommend that, it's good. Right, now I know people on my channel like to see me eat puddings. I hope that was cream, but I think it was it was on the outside of the box. What was it? It's not, it wasn't cream. Anyway, what was it? Anyway, apple turnover, is it?
Fresh cream apple turnover.
Fresh cream apple turnover.
No, thank you.
You don't like fresh cream, do you?
I don't like apples.
Don't like apples.
Fruit.
Well, I didn't even know these were apples. I just saw the cream and I thought I'll buy 2 of them.
Apples, but I don't like cooked fruit.
Right, well, let's review them. Well, this is like bread. It's not cake, is it? It's like bread.
I think it just gets every bit of cheese off that thing.
Is it any good? Would I buy it again? Probably. You stop banging around, cat. She's currently licking the enamel off the plate. Why is it red if it's apple?
She just nicked a piece of cake that you've dropped down there.
Why is it red if it's apple?
Might be red apple, I don't know.
Red apple? I've never heard of that.
You've never heard a red apple?
A red apple? No. It's always white inside. It's not for me, this monkey.
Don't eat it, babe. What are you going to do with the other one? You've got another one to go yet?
It's not my favourite. No. No, I don't really like them. Let's try something else. We'll review something else. Just had a look. Raspberry turnovers.
You picked them up in the supermarket and said, what are these? And I said, apple turnovers, because I read the box. And then you obviously picked up a different packet then, which happens to be raspberry turnovers.
But you were convinced that some apples are red.
They are. There is red apples.
The skin is, but not inside. Anyway, we're on to another review now.
They're mine.
They're not.
You've got that. That's mine.
I can have one.
No, I'm going to eat both of them.
We share. I'm having one. Right, so these are vanilla.
What about this?
I'll come to
You
that in a
got
minute.
that.
Yeah, I'm coming to that.
But I got them and you got that.
Anyway, 2 vanilla custards. 2 vanilla custards. Review.
Don't spit all your crumbs back in the packet like you just did with the last one. Take a cake and then put mine out the way, because everything off the side of your face fell into this other turnover.
Unbelievable.
Can you take one and then move mine away?
I'm doing a review.
I know, but I want you to take yours and put mine safely back in the box. I don't want it covered in your falling crumbs out your mouth,
Okay.
please.
Well, I've covered it with the box.
Can't you just put it in the box?
So the initial smell is good. This is just mostly cold custard. I've just realised there's no cream in this, is there? Anyway, let's go for it. Let's try a piece. Paddy.
I think you've drunk too much Baileys.
It's like chewing tarmac. It's sweet. Have another bit.
Stop slopping.
Not for me, that. It's too sickly.
Try that one.
Too sickly. Right, let's get on to another review. So I think due to a slight bit of illness that we're not going to be able to review anything else tonight.
What's the illness?
One of the people involved in the tasting's got feels a bit sicky, so they've had to go home. So we're going to have to leave that just for a bit. Never mind. Mrs. Baby's just looked at the temperature. -3. Woo! Hoo!
What's the full story?
There's no full story, is there? You said...
I'm really cold.
Yeah.
You told me I wasn't cold.
I said it can't be that cold, it's warm.
You told me I wasn't cold.
Yeah.
Then you told me I couldn't possibly be cold because it's not cold yet.
Yeah.
And then I looked at the temperature.
You said it's -5, and I said it's not -5, it's lows of -5.
And then I looked.
And I said it's about zero
-3.
now, but it's -3, yeah.
So now I'm allowed to be cold because you said.
You can start to be chilly, but no more than that. You can go, that's it. This little pain in the bottom is going to want to go out in a minute, aren't you?
She's breathing through the gas dropouts.
Yeah, she goes breathing through the gas dropouts down there. See these? Those go straight to the floor. They're called gas dropouts. If you have a gas leak, it's heavier than air and it goes through them. And every morning, Kat's there with her nose stuck in the gas dropouts.
Going.
Yeah, breathing in through her nose and out through her mouth as if she's suffocating. It's absolutely ridiculous. Such a drama, aren't you? Kat, you don't need your hat on just to go out. Are you mental? There's Morrisons, still open, yeah. And we've got to find somewhere for Kat to have a wee. It is a good stealth spot though. Fairly confident that it's not going to be a problem tonight. Baby, what are you doing?
I'm cold, I told you.
She's retired.
You told me I'm not allowed to be cold.
Unbelievable. I'm just getting into the party spirit. Party animal.
-3.
It is -3, I can't lie. Kat wants to get onto the duvet, please. She said, Mum.
Get under, she wants to.
She'll be coming my side when she's ready.
She gets as far away as you as possible because you kick her in the face. I'm surprised she's got any nose left for your bloody
She's
feet.
got scars on her nose from where I kick her. Hashtag Stealth Holiday 2023. Stealth Camping Alliance.
Inside 60 seconds.
Quick look at the cameras. Not much going on really, to be honest. Right, guys and girls, one last look at the cameras. There's absolutely nothing going on. Nobody on the car park. And we are going to settle down now because we're absolutely shattered. Okay, guys and girls, it is absolutely freezing. We're going to have the heating on all night probably tonight. -5. Baby's settled down. She's asleep.
No, she's not.
Well, she's nearly asleep.
No, she's not.
We were watching her programme.
No, I wasn't.
We were watching her programme on the iPad, and I said to her, I'm turning that off because you're not listening. She didn't say a word. She was asleep. Quiet snores. And then I leaned up to turn the iPad off. She goes, "Oi, you're drafting me." So funny. Anyway, guys and girls, we're going to see you in the morning. You take care. I'll leave you with a little bit of time lapse from the cabin. I don't know whether it'll be any good, but we'll have a look. Catch you in a bit. Good night. ⅓:30 in the morning. Look who's up. Cabin fever. Hey, gorgeous. Good morning. Like I said, ⅓:30. It's -5 outside. Can't believe it. It's warm in here. The heat has been on all night. We left it at 8 degrees, which is the minimum it can be. Well, it's kept us quite toasty, hasn't it, baby? Mm-hmm. Just had a look at the cameras there. Nothing going on. That front camera's constantly misted up, which is annoying me. So I think there must be something wrong with the seal on that. So I might order a new one. Get that back up to speed. Cabin fever the cat. Come here, cat. Cabin fever the cat is staring. She wants to go out. See, as soon as I say that word, her ears picked up. Right, now I haven't forgotten the theme of this video for the Stealth Holiday 2023 challenge set by Kevin. The theme was to tell me one thing you're grateful about and why. So I'm going to get her all geared up. We'll get her outside, go for a bit of a walk, and we'll do that then. So I'm just checking the cameras. Doesn't seem to be anyone about. So let's go and take Cabin Fever out for a wee. So she's already had a wee, so she did need to go. I'm just walking up to this far end of the car park because I want to show you something. So back in the day before I was a nurse, I used to work there. And although it's difficult to see, I worked there for about 16 years. I left school at 16. I did 2 years apprenticeship. On this Morrisons site, there was a big factory, all part of the old Rolls-Royce. It was bought out by Perkins and then later became Caterpillar. But from the age of 16 to the age of 32, I worked as a maintenance fitter, fixing machines on both sites. And it was a brilliant apprenticeship, really enjoyed it. Towards the end, as the factory was closing or being taken over, lots of machines and lots of work was being sent to other countries. So my job became a little bit boring because there was less machines to fix and there wasn't much to do really. But what made me say this was, let me show you. This railway bridge that is no longer used used to join the two sites up because the other side of that is the railway line. And we used to ride electric vehicles from one side of the factory, what we called the modern side, the MED, over this bridge. We used to come shooting down here, hang a left at the end, and then there was a road that went straight up between the factories and straight up to the top to where my brother works now, which is called Vickers Aerospace, but I think even that's called something else now. I will show you a map of the site of how it used to look. And the funny story is that one day we came down here on an electric vehicle. I was driving, got to the bottom here, hung a left. We used to do it at high speed, and the truck tipped over, and two of us fell out of this electric vehicle on the floor. And the first thing we wanted to do once we realized we were okay was get that electric vehicle back on its wheels so that we got away with it and we didn't get into trouble. But all the battery acid was pouring out of them, so it was absolutely hilarious, and the battery acid was hissing on the tarmac as it was eating into it. We had some fun. Yeah, superb. So what am I grateful for and why? I've got to be honest, in the job that I work now, as you know, I'm a nurse. I am grateful for my health. I see some terrible things, young people, old people, that have been hit by disease or that dreaded word that none of us want to get later in life. So what am I thankful for? I'm thankful for my health. I really am, because you can't do any of this unless you're healthy. So that is it. So with that said, I'm going to head back towards the van. Are there people shopping already? There can't be. They're turning up for work though. So like I said, I've seen no signs whatsoever that says I can't park here overnight. And looking at this car park, there are a few cars that have chosen to do that because they're all frozen up. So you can see the stealth van in the distance. And we're going to head back now. Cat's freezing. That's the other end of that bridge. So that goes straight up there over the railway lines into the new site. And then the main road of the factory, maybe a bit further down actually, used to run up the centre of there. History, fantastic, love it. So headed back. So that's the time, just coming up for 7 o'clock. We've just demisted the windows. And you can just see the Morrisons name starting to come through. We're not going to do breakfast because we don't tend to do breakfast in the mornings. We like to get back. We've got a big day ahead of us today, going out for a meal. And then there's a scooter meeting up the road in the pub by us. So I'm going to do a video on that as well, hopefully. So this has been the Stealth Holiday 2023 challenge. I've done it nice and early, so I'm straight on the list. I'll be first on the playlist when I get this edited and uploaded. This was for the Stealth Camping Alliance. So thanks for setting that challenge, Kevin. And I hope you agree with me on the thing that I'm most grateful for and why. And we are now going to shoot off home. So it's going to be good night from me, Steve the Transit Camper, and good night from Mrs. Baby. Good night, goodbye, I mean, surely. See you next time, take care. No comment.